Hey, good morning, fearless millionaires. Today I wanted to share a very powerful point in real estate investing, which a lot of people don't understand, and that word is patience. Patience is one of the hardest, most difficult things to do in real estate investing. By the way, I'm here at the marina in Ponta Delgada, Azores, on the island of São Miguel. São Miguel is one of the 9 islands that are in part of the Azores. And as I've told you guys that I've been here many times, but you guys know back in 2017, we did, me and my family, we did a going Euro tour. We spent 199 days touring all over Europe, and then we spent some months here, and then we decided to come back. But again, I do have roots here. My family's from here. There's a lot of history, and I've come here over the years as a young kid, coming here many times over the years, but then just ended up falling in love with the island. It's a beautiful place. If you've never visited this island, you have to check it out. It's just absolutely beautiful from different things, of the mountains, from the cleanliness, the organization, the old paved roads. If you can see these old paved roads like this, these are all small stones, by the way, small rocks, different colors of white and volcanic rock, all mixed together. These are all done by hand, as well as on the streets. Most of the streets, the older streets, have this same kind of pavement rather than tarmac. Okay, the newer stuff has the tarmac, and this is actually a new extension right here. This whole marina is a new extension because it used to be a little bit, it used to end right here, actually, all the way down there. That's where it used to end. And then they built all these restaurants and expanded the marina. It's booming. Business is booming here. The tourism factor is up like 6% every year, which is a fantastic thing. And again, one of the reasons why I found this as a great opportunity, not just because the weather is always nice, it's beautiful, and there's a lot of diversity of people that come here, good Portuguese culture, great Portuguese food, but also the real estate, the tourism that's coming here into the island is intense. It's on another level. So it's really interesting to see, a place that I used to come to all the time that went from dirt roads to now paved roads with an express highway in the center of the island, and things being bought up and built up. It's really great to see that these developments are happening over the years. It's just fantastic. And between 20 and 30 years where I've seen some of the most growth. So it's great. It's really cool to be here. So I wanted to talk to you again about patience, because sometimes you guys know I'm working on that bigger project, and it's a commercial project, and I've done commercial quite a few times over the years of real estate investing, but it always takes the longest. And that can be very hard for some people, especially if you're just getting started in real estate. If you're just getting started in real estate, you're probably looking to make money quick. Maybe you've heard it from a guru or something like that, or you went to a few seminars and you're trying to make that quick deal in like 30 days or less, that kind of thing. Well, I'm here to tell you that real estate investing takes patience. It's a business. Most people don't realize that when you're starting a real estate business or any business, you're probably going to lose money the first few years. And if you make a profit, fantastic. I think most people jump into a business, but especially this real estate business, I think because the way the opportunity is sold to people is they jump in thinking they're going to make, quick money, close on a deal in 30 days, make 10 grand in 30 days, that kind of thing. And I know that's talked about a lot in the industry. And that's the way people actually get involved in the industry. They follow that messaging. However, and it does happen. That's the thing. That's the tricky part. There are people who actually do it, but sometimes all the details are not shared. So what I would recommend to you, if you're considering just getting started, or maybe you've been already in real estate investing, you've been trying, maybe you've been to a bunch of seminars and bought a bunch of home study courses and all these things, but still haven't closed that very first deal yet, I'm going to encourage you to be patient. I actually did a video on belief and expectations. Belief and expectations are two very different things, and you have to understand that you have to have a strong belief so that you can actually see your dreams come true. You can actually see the business goals that you set actually happen and come true. However, if your expectations are too high, you leave room, you open the door for disappointment. If your expectations are all you hold on to, then I'll tell you what, you are leaving room for disappointment to come in and make you sad and even create disbelief in you. Even to knock you off your game and start, messing with your beliefs that you actually think real estate is possible and you can actually make money in real estate, right? You have to become crystal clear. You have to become really focused on your life and what you're trying to do in this business. Otherwise, you'll just get sidetracked and then you will start what's called disbelief. And you don't want to be in that position. When disbelief sets in, then that's it. It's game over, right? Now you're looking for another opportunity. You start thinking the original home study course that you bought was the thing, and now it's not the thing. Maybe you should try this one or that software or this opportunity, and you jump from one to another. And then after a while, maybe a year or two goes by, you spend all this money and yet no results. You don't want to be the person of no results. What you have to do is stick with a strategy and be patient. Work that strategy and work that strategy and work that strategy. You literally have to get in that line. And because there's a lot of other real estate investors trying to do business too, right? It's a competitive world. It's not an easy thing. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Does that make sense? If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. See, it's easy to get a job. And I don't take that lightly. I know there's a lot of people who are unemployed and trying to get jobs and lack opportunities. However, it's easy to get a job. Put an application together. You can even get hired without a application. You can get hired without a CV or a resume. You can get hired just by someone needing help, right? Short-term labor, whatever it is. So it's easy to get a job, but it's also easy to get into that system of being in a job all the time. And sometimes it's not easy to get out of a job because of finances, right? So being in business is not easy. It's not for the faint of heart. It's not for those who are willing to give up quickly, okay? It requires inner strength, personal power, determination, tough mind, strong mind. That's what it requires. And if you don't start gearing yourself up, if you don't start getting that clarity in your life, like, hey, this is truly what I want to do. This is what I believe I want to do long term. I'm going to stick with it with no matter what I do, no matter what comes, no matter what disappointments may happen. I'm going to truly stick with it. If you can believe that and stick with it, then that is going to help you build the confidence that you need to actually sustain yourself, to build on the cash flow. Cash flow meaning you're going to close deals. Remember that. Clarity, confidence, and cash flow. They all help each other. They all go hand in hand with each other in order to build a good, solid real estate business. All right, I'm going to get over to the office. We got a big day today, and I'll see you real soon. Let's go. It's time to fire your boss. That's right. You heard me straight. It's time to fire your boss. Check it out. I'm here in beautiful São Miguel, Azores Islands, one of 9 islands. What you're seeing behind me is one of the crater lakes, and there's mountains all the way around. Absolutely beautiful here today. I literally just took a few moments to get off a call with one of our clients who is in the same position, trying to fire his boss. And he enrolled into our coaching program and just wanted to make a big difference in his life. And I know there's a lot of people out there who want to make a difference in their lives and in their families' lives and other people's lives, and giving and caring about other people as well. At the same time, you want to make a change in your own life. You want to do something different. You wanted to make an impact in your life, that you want to take your life to that next level, to do things that you never thought or just maybe dreamed of. This is the business for you. 15 years ago when I first started real estate investing, I was broke, working 3 jobs, never wanted anything else than just money. That's all I cared about, was just money. That was it, because I was so broke and tired, and I was fed up with the bosses that I had. And one day I asked my manager of the entire store, and I said, hey man, how much money do you make? And he said, $60,000 a year. When I had just come from a real estate event the prior weekend, and they were telling me I could make 6 figures, multiple 6 figures in a year. Immediately, when he told me he made 60,000, I immediately said, I'm giving you my 2 weeks notice. I'm out of here. He was shocked. He was shocked because I had just, I think a week or 2 earlier, I had become the manager of the men's department in the store. And I worked so hard to get there. It took me months. I had to go through training and all this stuff. But he was shocked. He's like, what are you talking about? What's up? Why are you not doing this? And I said, I found a better opportunity. He said, what? I said, real estate investing. He's like, real estate investing? He's like, don't you need a license? I said, no, there's a way I can do it without a real estate license. And he said, but why are you going to do that? How much money can you make? I said, from what I saw, I said 6 figures and above. And he just laughed at me. He's like, you'll never make that kind of money. Now, why he laughed at me, I'm not sure. Maybe he was embarrassed or shy or whatever. Maybe he thought it was a scam. Either way. But I'll tell you this. Those 6 figures have come true many times. If you've been following me, you know my lifestyle. You know I travel internationally. I invest in 3 different countries, and I'm able to not have to wake up or deal with a boss. This is my boss right here. Saying, come to me, come enjoy me, come and have a good time and enjoy nature. That's my boss. The demand of the hills, the demand of the mountains. Oh, it's so difficult. But for the past few years, I've been investing internationally and I absolutely love it. It gives me the opportunity not only to experience new cultures, but also to travel anywhere I want, when I want, with who I want, preferably my family. And they're right over here in the car waiting to go get some ice cream. So we're gonna go do that. I just wanted to share this video with you as a reminder that you need to flip the switch. You need to take action in your life. You need to do something different. Otherwise, you'll just keep doing the same thing, waking up to the alarm clock, going to the job that you hate, and doing that repetitively over and over and over again. And if you continue to do that, you'll end up noticing that years will go by, months and moments. You'll miss out on some of the most amazing things in this world, the most beautiful things in this world. So don't take much longer. This is a new year. Don't take much longer to make that change. Even though it's scary, even though it's a challenge, even though it's a hurdle, at times, sometimes it's the biggest thing. Make sure you get a coach and a mentor that can help push you and guide you and help you avoid costly mistakes. You don't want to get into costly mistakes, but you also want to be in the best investment opportunity, the best investment wealth vehicle than anything else, and that's real estate investing. Go out there, make something happen, get more deeper into this business. And I can tell you the truth, when you get deeper, you'll find me. I'll be right there. I'll be by your side.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Yeah, my first check, you guys. Can you see that? $34,000.
You can do this. I believe in you. 2, 3. You can do this. I believe in you. All right, give yourself. Just do it. Just do it.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
So we made it to the equator. We just there's some girls right there. Sorry, I'm in the way. There's the equator line.
You're gonna love that. It's got a pit in it.
This is moonshine from the south.
It's got a pit. Isn't that delicious?
Oh, what is that? That is nasty.
I don't know what the answer.
Take my
Somebody's
hand,
missing.
we'll
Nathan,
make it
Nathan.
somehow. We can't miss out.